Strong kids don't grow by chance alone. It's what they eat, how they sleep, and how they're grown. Have you ever wondered what the secret is to raising a truly healthy and resilient child? It's not about complex formulas or expensive gadgets. The real magic lies in three simple pillars: nutrition, sleep, and immunity. These three elements work together in a beautiful symphony to build the foundation for a lifetime of wellness. By understanding how they connect, you can empower your child to thrive, not just survive. Today, we're going to break down these three pillars, giving you practical, easy-to-implement tips that will make a world of difference for your little one. Let's dive into how you can nurture your child's health from the inside out. From fruits to grains and veggies bright, good food fuels growth and builds their might. Nutrition is the cornerstone of a child's development. Think of it like building a house. You need the best materials to create a strong and sturdy structure. For children, those materials come from a balanced diet. This means including a variety of food groups in their daily meals. First, let's talk about macronutrients. Proteins, found in foods like lean meats, beans, and tofu, are the primary building blocks for growing muscles, bones, and tissues. Carbohydrates, especially complex ones from whole grains like oats and brown rice, provide the essential energy your child needs to play, learn, and explore their world. Healthy fats, from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are crucial for brain development and absorbing certain vitamins. Beyond the macros, micronutrients play a vital role. Vitamins and minerals are like the tiny spark plugs that keep the engine running smoothly. Vitamin C from oranges and bell peppers helps bolster the immune system. Calcium from dairy or fortified plant milks is essential for strong bones and teeth. Iron, found in spinach and red meat, is critical for carrying oxygen in the blood, preventing fatigue, and supporting cognitive function. Zinc, found in seeds and whole grains, is another immunity powerhouse. Ensuring your child gets a wide spectrum of these nutrients is key. Try to eat the rainbow. Serving a colorful plate of fruits and vegetables guarantees a broader range of vitamins and minerals. But what about those in between meal times? Healthy snacks are just as important. Instead of reaching for sugary treats or processed snacks, opt for nutrient-dense options. A handful of berries, apple slices with nut butter, a small yogurt, or a hard-boiled egg can provide a sustained energy boost without the crash that comes from sugar. It's also a great opportunity to sneak in extra nutrients. You can make fun fruit kebabs, veggie sticks with hummus, or homemade granola bars. The goal is to make healthy eating an enjoyable and normal part of their day, not a chore. Remember, the habits you instill now will lay the groundwork for their relationship with food for years to come. Nutrition truly builds the foundation for a healthy life. Now let's move to our second pillar. When children rest both day and night, their bodies heal and minds ignite. Sleep is not just downtime. It's a critical and active period of development for a child's brain and body. During sleep, the body gets to work on some of its most important tasks. Growth hormone is primarily released during deep sleep, which is why getting enough rest is literally essential for physical growth. While they're sleeping, their brains are also incredibly busy. They consolidate memories, process information learned during the day, and form new neural connections. This is why a well-rested child often has a better attention span, improved problem-solving skills, and a more stable mood. So, how much sleep does your child actually need? It varies by age. Toddlers typically need around 11 to 14 hours, including naps. Preschoolers need about 10 to 13 hours, and school-aged children require 9 to 12 hours. Teenagers still need a solid 8 to 10 hours to support their rapid development. Consistent sleep schedules are just as important as the total duration. Going to bed and waking up at roughly the same time every day, even on weekends, helps regulate their internal body clock or circadian rhythm. This makes it easier for them to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. A predictable bedtime routine is your best friend here. A warm bath, reading a story together, or listening to calm music can signal to their brain that it's time to wind down. Creating the right sleep environment is also key. The ideal bedroom should be cool, dark, and quiet. Blackout curtains can be a game changer, especially during summer months or for daytime naps. A white noise machine can help block out disruptive household sounds. It's also incredibly important to limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted from phones, tablets, and TVs can interfere with the production of melatonin, the hormone that signals sleep. Try to enforce a no screens rule for at least an hour before bedtime. Instead, encourage quiet activities that promote relaxation. By prioritizing sleep, you're not just preventing a cranky kid the next day, you're investing in their long-term cognitive and physical health. Sleep truly powers their growth. Finally, let's connect it all. With sleep and food working side by side, immunity grows strong inside. The immune system is your child's personal defense force, protecting them from germs and illnesses. Nutrition and sleep are the two most important factors in training this army. Nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc are direct fuel for immune cells, helping them function effectively. A diet lacking in these essential components can leave the immune system weak and sluggish. Similarly, sleep is when the body produces and releases cytokines, a type of protein that targets infection and inflammation. When a child doesn't get enough sleep, their body produces fewer of these protective proteins, making them more susceptible to getting sick when exposed to a virus. Think of it this way. A balanced diet provides the soldiers, and adequate sleep gives them the training and recovery they need to be ready for battle. This is why children often get sick more frequently when they are overtired or not eating well. Beyond diet and rest, other lifestyle factors play a part. Regular physical activity is fantastic for boosting circulation, which allows immune cells to move through the body more efficiently. Spending time outdoors also exposes them to sunlight, a natural source of vitamin D, and a diverse range of microbes that can help train their immune system. Teaching good hygiene habits, like frequent hand washing, is a simple but powerful way to reduce their exposure to pathogens. And let's not forget the importance of managing stress. High levels of stress can suppress the immune system. Ensuring your child has plenty of time for free play, creative expression, and connection with loved ones helps keep their stress levels low and their spirits high. When you combine healthy nutrition, restorative sleep, and a happy, active lifestyle, you create a powerful synergy that builds a robust immune system. You're giving your child the best possible defense to navigate the world with health and vitality. Strong immunity creates stronger, happier kids. So let's recap these 3 pillars of child health. First, we focused on nutrition, the building blocks for a strong body and sharp mind. A balanced diet full of colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats is the foundation. Second, we explored the power of sleep. It's the time for physical growth, brain development, and memory consolidation. A consistent routine in a calm environment is key. And third, we saw how nutrition and sleep come together to build a powerful immune system, your child's shield against illness. Feed them well, let them rest. These simple habits work the best. It doesn't have to be complicated. Small, consistent changes in these 3 areas can have a profound impact on your child's overall well-being, setting them up for a lifetime of good health. You are their greatest advocate and teacher, and by modeling and encouraging these healthy habits, you're giving them a gift that will last forever. We've covered the fundamentals today, but there is so much more to learn about nurturing your child's health. If you want your child to grow healthy and bright, learn more today, click the link in sight. We've put together a comprehensive guide that goes even deeper into these topics, with meal ideas, sleep schedules, and more tips to support your child's journey. You can find the link to the full guide in the description below this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Here's to raising healthy, happy children.